finish your homework. Then we can go and play in the garden. I just got a new sand pit for you all.
I'm done, Bob. I'll do mine later.
Johnny. Remember, you promised your mom you will finish your math homework before playing. Jack, have you finished your reading?
No. I don't think I'm going to school tomorrow.
Are you not feeling well, Jack?
No. It's just that I don't like school anymore. But you love school. You love your English class, your craft class, and your scout club.
Is everything okay with Jack?
I don't know, Bob. He doesn't say much these days. But I heard from his classmate that Jack is being bullied in school. By whom? By Big Brad. And Jack doesn't want to tell anyone because then he'll be called a wuss. Brad is a real mean kid. Everyone is scared of him. What do we do, Bob?
I have a plan. Gather around.
Hey, little Jack, give me your lunchbox now! Hey, Brad, you should know that Jack is our best friend. We won't allow you to be mean to him anymore. It's okay. I'm not being bullied by Brad. Jack, Brad is bullying a lot of kids at school. If you don't tell anyone, he'll scare a lot more kids. It's okay. We're with you, Jack. You don't have to be ashamed or afraid anymore.
Hello, children. I came to have a chat with your principal and thought I would drop by and see how you're doing.
Brad, I would like to talk to you in my office.
Jack, it's not your fault that you're being bullied. You should have told me, or Dad, or your teacher. But it's okay. Bob spoke to me, and I met with the principal. Brad will never bully you again.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Jill, Mary, Polly, Johnny. You should thank Bob. He told us that we should look out for you so that you are never alone in school. And that we should immediately tell an adult we trust. That's right. Bullying is wrong, and we should not ignore it. Class was fun today. Thank you, Bob. Brad actually said sorry and has promised to never bully me again.
Do you like school now?
Oh, yes! I love school!
That's great! Now, let's quickly finish homework. There is a new sand pit waiting for us.
Yes! Spell Drawing isn't so bad, but I really look forward to the science test.
If you are being bullied or see someone being bullied, remember, find your friends and tell them to stay by your side. That's what friends are for. And always tell an adult, your parent, your teacher, or the student counselor. They will know what to do. Bullying is mean, and you should help stop it. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon. Johnny, you really like your veggies, don't you?
Yes. I don't like them.
Well, she must be feeling really bad.
Who?
Miss Bean! Miss Bean! Why are you so sad? Oh, Bob, no one is eating me, so I am really sad and gloomy.
I'm sorry, Miss Bean, but I don't like anything green.
But kids, vegetables are good for you, right, Johnny?
Yes.
Miss Bean, Mr. Carrot, and Mr. Pea, please really do tell me, what do you have to say? Are you dull and boring, or happy and gay?
We are red, we are green, we are the best you have seen. Not just good, we are great. We are pasta's bestest mate.
We would love to know more about you, wouldn't we, kids?
Yay! I am green and shiny and kinda long. I can make you good and strong. A great source of protein, that's me, Miss Bean. I think I like you, Miss Bean.
In a pod I do live, I have so much to give. High on fiber I am Mr. P. Mashed or boiled, just eat me.
I never thought you were this delicious, Mr. P. Ooh.
I would like to do a dance for you, but I need my partner.
Where is your partner?
Under the table where Johnny has put his vegetables.
Johnny, are these your veggies?
Yeah. Yes. I really do feel bad for them now. I'm sorry I lied. Here's your partner, Mr. Carrot.
Brace up for an awesome performance.
Wow!
I am red and yummy. I can soothe your tummy. I do wonders for your eyes. Lift your hands for high fives.
Thank you, my dear veggies. Kids, how do you find our friends?
Veggies are totally wow!
So, do you think veggies are boring?
No! I think veggies are awesome! They belong in my stomach, not under the table.
So, are you all ready to make friends with the veggies on your plate? I totally hope so. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon. So, kids, excited about the community painting competition?
Yes, Bob. I made my mama buy me a new set of paintbrushes. I so want to use them. You know, I think I'll paint a vase full of flowers. I want to try my hand at drawing a canary.
A rainbow! That's what I'm going to paint.
Oh, well, I've been practicing at home. I got Spud, my doggy, to pose for me. Take a look.
Oh!
Ooh! That is so awesome! I'm sure you'll win the competition.
Yeah.
Yep. Ah!
What's wrong, Polly?
Oh no! I left my paint kit and brushes at home.
Oh, can't you call your mom and tell her to drop it here?
She's at work. So is Dad. Oh! What do I do now? I won't be able to take part in the competition.
If you want to show you care, is there something you can share? For your friend is in need, and help you can, indeed.
Polly, here. You can use my brushes. I won't use all of them all the time. Oh, but they're brand new. And they're perfect for you and me.
Yeah, and if you sit next to me, you can use my paint box. And Jill and I can use her crayons. So here, you can use mine.
Oh, yes, totally. Oh, wow, you guys. Are you sure?
Of course!
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, you guys are the best. You will ace the contest. 'Cause you know how to share. 'Cause you do really care. Congratulations, Polly! That's wonderful!
She also won a gift card from the new toy store. Way to go, Polly!
Polly, now you can buy that doll you always wanted. No, Mary, I won't be buying the doll. Oh, but why? Because I'm going to buy a board game for 6 players.
What? Wow, really?
Yeah! If you all hadn't shared your paints and crayons and brushes, I wouldn't have won. So now, I want to get something for all of us and share my prize.
Aww. To my friends, thanks a ton. You make sharing so much fun. Give a little, get a lot. What a lovely, lovely thought.
Come on, let's get to the store before it closes.
Yeah!
Remember, my friends, when you give a little, you do get a lot in return. So enjoy sharing your toys and your treats with your friends. And don't be surprised when they share with you. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon!